Jesus in Mari's world! Welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we're making, I have the neighbor with me. We're opening the 4-in-1 aluminum sign slab. One time I seen a video when the neighbor was cooking. Whoa. Whoa. Look guys. Look at all of this stuff. This is so cool. Okay, so I decided to make the volcano. And we're gonna put some red food coloring inside the vinegar that we have in here. So, safety first. There we go. I look like Hello Neighbor. There we go. Now let's get started. Whoa. Huh? Oh! 1. I still was not coming out. 2. I think 2's good. So let's mix it up. Guys, it's my first time using gloves.
Ooh, yeah, it's nice and red. Look, guys.
So where do I put this?
Put it. You can put it right there. We'll clean it after.
Now we have the neighbor with me. Wait. Oh yeah. I would need the neighbor to help me. Yeah. This neighbor needs gloves for that.
You're right. Let me go get some. So the neighbor got gloves.
Okay. It's hard, right, neighbor?
No, it's not hard.
I mean with the gloves.
It's not easy with the gloves. But we'll get it.
Three, two, 1. Whoa. Huh?
Is it going in?
No.
Hold on. I think we did something wrong.
Is it? Oh, it is. It is going.
It didn't open it.
We're supposed to open it. Can I try?
cover it back up.
Yeah.
And now
Pour it.
Oh, wait.
Whoa!
Hold on, hold on.
Whoa, it's a volcano. That looks so cool.
This thing doesn't work well. Let's just do it like this. Come on.
Whoa! Whoa, that's cool. Oh, look, there's bubbles. Whoa.
That was awesome.
Yeah. That exploded so good.
That's it. Good job. Alright.
If you guys like this video, please hit the thumbs up and subscribe. And like and subscribe.